Hello, friends. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. I'm also doing good. So, my name is Naresh Kumar, and I'm a trainer, mentor, and a coach, and I am helping you to prepare for your all kind of skill training to advance your career from one level to the other level. So today we'll be talking about the attitude, how I develop attitude, and how you can develop your attitude. And there are various ways you can develop your attitude. And the faster one, what I have taken the slower one also and the faster one also. How I did is that I started from reading books actually. I got into the bug bite me, and the name is book reading. And so I read the book, and gradually I was reading one after the other book, and it changed my perspective. My whole perspective, the way I was thinking, that was totally changed. I got a lot of ideas and lot of instruction that I tried to follow, because it's not possible to follow A to Z from a single book. So I tried as much possible. I did, and after that, after a few years later, I also got help from my coach. I got mentoring. They helped me a lot to foster the growth. So when there is a coach or a mentor, they act as a catalyst. So they make their growth faster than the usual pace. And I will also recommend you that if you find any coach or a mentor or any influential person, take their help, and they will faster your growth in the terms of whatever you wanted to do in your life, whether you wanted to get a job, whether you want to want to go for a startup, or any kind of you wanted to achieve in your life. They can help you a lot. So do take their help, and this will help you a lot. In other ways, what you can do is that apart from this, you can attend many seminars, workshops, wherever you get the opportunity. Any kind of, wherever you got to attend any kind of webinar is going on, or workshop is going on, or seminar is going on, or your class only, any kind of school class or college class, you will get to learn a lot of things. Though the technical knowledge is there, but there is also some kind of story behind it, and those technical skills will also help you. Though it is a boring actually, because our teacher has never developed a story way of telling the knowledge, and that's why we find it very tough to absorb. Actually, it becomes very difficult. Teacher teaches, and our focus is somewhere else. So this is not good actually, because maybe somewhere our system is not improved or not very effective to deliver the content of the book, and that's why we also remain behind for those reasons. So if teacher take this step to deliver the knowledge in a storytelling way, then our student would have become much better than how it is now. So anyway, but it's I'm not blaming actually, but these are some kind of drawbacks I find it in our own education system, because I have also suffered the same thing. So what I can guide you is that I can tell you is that attend as much as seminar where you are getting some kind of knowledge, some kind of self improvement from anywhere, from anybody. Don't see any kind of age or anything. Ego factor should not come in you. Learn as much as you can, and this will change your perspective, this will change your idea, this will change the way you think, the way you work. It will change totally, and take the advantage of all these things. This way you'll grow faster than any time of your life. So I hope it helps you. It helps to implement in your life, and you can get benefit out of it. Bye bye, take care, see you.